This is the Duvolle Radiance Spin-Care system for your skin. So we're going to open it and I'll show you how it works. It says it's water resistant, and it says you want to look your best every day, right? So that's how it comes, and you got to get batteries for here because it takes 4 batteries, and batteries go in here. So I put them in here for it. It doesn't come with the batteries, so once the batteries are in, you have 4 different attachments that you can use with it. So I'm going to show you the body attachment. So this is for you to scrub your body with. So you attach it on there, and then you hit the button on the top and it starts spinning around. So this is perfect. So you can put the body wash or soap on your body, and then that feels really nice. That's going to help kind of just scrub off your body, and it feels amazing. It doesn't hurt or anything, and the heads are really easy to clean, so that's pretty cool. So then you turn it off, switch it to the other side. Then we have the 2 facial brushes. So there's a cleansing one and an exfoliating one. So you want to do the exfoliating one first to get the dead skin cells off your face, right? And then cleanse. Or if you have makeup and stuff, the exfoliating one is really good for that. So again, you put the attachment on, press the top button, and it's going to start spinning. So that feels really nice. So we would do that on your face, kind of in little circular movements around, all over your face, and make sure it's flat, not at an angle along your face, neck. You can do around your neck and everything, your ears, why not, and then you can detach it and rinse it off. So you can either put the facial cleanser right on the head, or you can put it on your face first and then kind of do the brush. It's personal preference. It works either way. So again, this is the cleansing brush. Again, it feels really soft and really good for sensitive skin if you have it. And so again, face. You might as well do the back of your hands too, because most people neglect the area, but face stuff. And the next one is the pumice stone attachment. So this is perfect for feet. You want to keep your feet nice and smooth, so you put that on, press the button, it's going to go around. So I'm going to feel how it feels on my hand. So it's not actually too rough. It feels pretty nice, but that's going to help get like calluses and dead skin off your feet. A lot of people have that on their heels maybe. So that feels nice, and that's easy to clean as well. So turn it off, bam, good to go. So that was it. Pretty easy and simple to use. Let me know what you think.